Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to export file in TOME AI. Simply open your TOME presentation, navigate to the presentation that you want to export, click on this three dotted icon at the top right corner and click on Export to PDF. So once you select the export option, TOME will process the request and provide a downloadable PDF file quickly. While TOME Pro allows exporting to PDF, it doesn't currently support exporting to editable formats like PPT that you can modify in other presentation software. So the simple way is navigating to the presentation that you want to export, click on the three dotted icon at the top right corner and clicking on Export to PDF. And if you would have bought the Pro plan on your TOME, you'll have to simply click on Upgrade after choosing the plan and you will quickly get your exported file downloaded onto your PC. So that's how you export file in TOME AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.